Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're unpacking the new Balance Fuelcell SC Elite V4. A shoe designed for marathon runners seeking that perfect blend of comfort and performance. Let's start with the design. The Elite V4 features a newly reworked upper, opting for a breathable mesh over the previous knit material. This not only enhances ventilation but also provides a snug, racing-style fit without feeling overly constricted. Now, onto performance. With its PEBA-based fuel cell midsole and Energy Arc carbon plate, the V4 delivers a balanced ride. During testing, I found it excelled in longer runs, offering a softer midsole that absorbs impact well. I recently ran the London Marathon in these shoes, and here's the kicker: they maintain stability and comfort throughout. Whether I was cruising at marathon pace or picking up speed, the V4 felt controlled and responsive. However, achieving a secure heel lockdown required some adjustment, and it's slightly heavier compared to its predecessor. So, should you consider the new Balance Fuelcell SC Elite V4? If you're looking for a marathon shoe that balances comfort with race day readiness, this might be your match. It handles longer distances admirably and offers a stable ride, though it may lack the explosive feel of some competitors. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews on products that matter. Until next time, keep running strong. Product Critique, where every detail counts.